everyone, it's Tammy, and I just have a little tip for you. Have you guys ever stamped an image and you get like white patches, and you know you've pressed really hard, and you know you think you've done everything you're supposed to do, but it's still giving you a white patch? Let me show you a tip for that. What you can do is take an emery board, and you just need to lightly go over the area, and I'm just lightly going over it, and then I'm going to turn it and go over it again. So you kind of want to just go in all the directions. And this will leave dust on your stamp, so be sure you have your scrubber handy when you're doing this. And I'm just making sure I'm getting this middle part because that was the most noticeable. Okay, and then I'm going to take my stamp and clean it really well. Get all those little dust particles off of it. All right, and then I'm going to take my ink pad again. This works with rubber stamps as well. Get it nice and inked up. Push down really hard. Like you don't have to rock it. If you just push down nicely and then lift the image up, and you get a much crisper, cleaner image. It could maybe still use a little bit, but you can see the improvement for sure. So there's your tip for today. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.